Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Audi A3 handbrake, only ways. Start by parking on level ground, chalking wheels, and releasing the brake. Pop the center console trim to access the handbrake mechanism, then remove any covers to expose the adjuster nut and cable connection. Keep tools ready and work slowly, checking lever travel after small turns on the adjuster until you reach firm engagement with minimal free play. In this video, I will show how to adjust Audi A3 handbrake, only ways. Once trim is removed, locate the adjuster nut near the handbrake lever and the cable connection under the car. Inspect cables for corrosion and replace if frayed. Use proper sockets for the adjuster and keep the lever position steady while you make adjustments. Work patiently and reassemble trim only after confirming correct lever travel and secure fitment. In this video, I will show how to adjust Audi A3 handbrake, only way. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a great cleanup partner with voice control and intelligent maps that save time after a garage job. It picks up dust and finds spots you miss, and it's a nice reward after wrenching on brakes. Subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to adjust Audi A3 handbrake, only way. Tighten the adjuster nut a bit at a time, then pull the lever and count clicks to target 6 to 8 clicks for firm engagement. Recheck both rear wheels for slight drag and adjust until minimal free play exists. After adjustments, drive a short, safe distance and test the parking brake on a gentle slope to confirm reliable holding force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.